bigger than you. So I'm saying on either side of that scale, we got to learn to listen to God and learn to trust Him and learn to obey Him. Learn, learn, learn. I know there's a lot of learning, but life is full of lessons. Because if we don't learn, we'll repeat the same things over and over again. Aren't you tired of repeating? Aren't you tired of staying stuck? And if I fail, at least I think I'm hearing God, so I ain't gonna move just because I think I hear, and I need some confirmation. I need some assurance that I'm really hearing from you. And I feel if I misheard you, then I'll learn. Sometimes we got to learn God's voice. But once we learn it, we got it. I'm gonna read on to talk about Hosea. Hosea chapter 3. Because it says Israel will return to God. But then we're going to see Israel. It's going to be a back and forth. And I want us to think about ourselves at the back and forth in and out with God.